We have some important updates to talk about the MITOSIS Airdrop, but as well as the Monad Airdrop, so make sure to stick until the end. And with this, we jump straight to the laptop. The first thing is the Lombard Finance has announced the BARD token sale. It's going to be a launchpad on the build iPad. The sale amount is going to be 6.5 million. There's going to be a 1.5 allocation. So if you participate in this one, and the unlock is going to be at TGE, fully unlocked at TGE, the contribution goes between $50 and $5,000 if you want it. This could be another juicy play for the future. Next up, I want to take you to the breakout trade, which we did open together yesterday. And if you did follow me, we are $280 in profit, which we're going to be going and closing right now for profit. I did open a Telegram group for all of my trade. Just trade. The link will be down below. If you're into trading, come and join. I will do all the calls there. And let me go and open up a new, let's say 600 position over on a link for all of you on breakout. Now, breakout is nice. Why? Because you give you the possibility to trade with a $5,000 up to $100,000 account for only $60 or $1,000 or even less if you pick the two-step authentication. So I will leave the link down below if you want to go and trade with them. Use my code for a discount. You will get a discount for any of this one. And what I did, I decided the $100,000 for $725. So as you see here, I have a margin of 100,000 for only 700. The profit is way more with this, but you can also pick 25,000 for 250 or $10,000 for $100. So you see, you have a nice choice. So make sure to go and participate and go and check out what you want. Next up, we do have the MITOSIS Airdrop. Now, as we see here, I have not received anything with my social media. You can go and connect your Telegram, your Discord, and your Twitter just like this one, but you only have 5 days to go and do all of it. So very important to go and do it right now. I have the Ethereum wallet connected, and then we can connect the Cosmos wallet, which is the Kepler wallet right here. I do not think I will be eligible for it over on this wallet, but I do receive 11.7 token over on my MetaMask. Now, the token could be something, could be not, and as we see here, I have 11.6. So let me know your total allocation down below of how much you do have it and if you are eligible for it or not. As you see here, simply click over to next, do all of this, and you have the possibility for the instant claim or the enhanced rewards. I will do this one simply because I don't think 11 is worth it. Potentially 100 will be worth it. I don't know, but we are gonna go and pick that one because you do get more token. If they're gonna be even $100, then it is still in 6 months, and then you got all this, but I'll skip through it. Next up, another trade that was profitable was the Bitcoin that we did open. I do share it as well over on Twitter or on my Telegram. Free to join, link will be down below. And I've done this over on Wix. Wix is a non-KYC exchange, and right now they give you 1,000 position airdrop by simply signing up. So the link will be down below. Sign up, do the procedure of downloading their app, super simple, and you get a $1,000 position. So make sure to go and participate. Free money for all of you. Participate, join in, trade with me, join my calls, or simply follow me on Telegram, on Twitter, and I will share all of the calls right there. But very nice promotion for $1,000 free over on Wix. Next up, we have the Monad official launch of the cards. As we see here, a token of appreciation for the crypto Twitter. 5,000 active CT accounts are eligible to claim. Check if you're eligible, and the link will be down below. Simply connect your Twitter, and this is for everybody who really gave emphasis on Twitter about this project, who supported, who talked about it, who did all of this. And as we see here, I am actually receiving. I got the true OG respected UNC in the space, and as you see here, token of appreciation. So very nice. Check eligibility, wave 1 over here, and I can nominate. So let me know your Twitter name down below. I will nominate 3 of you down below. So let me know your, especially for all of you that made it till the end of the video right here. So let me know, and I will be nominating all of you. Check eligibility for the username. Mine is crypto with Lolo right here, and let me know. Let me see if I'm done it, but I did receive it. As we see here, congrats, you're eligible for the Monad card. Claim with X. Do all of these procedures. Authorize the transaction. Go in. Get the Monad card, and this could be useful for the future airdrop of Monad. So very nice, and something that I really like. So GG, and thank you very much. Next up, we do have the Linea token generation event is closer than expected. And why do we talk about Linea? Because it's super important. As we see here, MEXC just rolled out a fun guess and win game where the users predict where Linea token will start trading on their exchanges. So the rewards, as we see here, they end on August 22nd, so in 2 days. Could this mean, I'm sure, MEXE or Wix or any other exchange do know about the release date of it, because they need to participate in, and they will have to go and list it. So it's interesting. It could be a hint that the token generation event is happening really, really soon. So make sure to stay tuned, make sure to focus, because this is really important. And this one is giving up a lot of vibes of soon TG, before the end of the month. Absolutely, yes. Next up, your daily reminder to go and bridge over. Next up, your daily reminder to go and bridge over on Owelto is gonna have an airdrop really, really soon. You do not wanna be left out. Simple, one bridge at a time, one bridge a day, whatever you wanna do it a month. Simply go and do it and participate, because it is really important. As well as, of course, the Plaza Finals leaderboard. Right here, I'm 114. You still have time to join. Season 3 is popping. I'm really onto it. So yeah, get into it, and you could potentially get some token and also a possible airdrop for the future, because Plaza Final did mention it already, that they will be having an airdrop. But with that, I also do want to go and remind you to go and claim your Hyperlane airdrop, as we see right here. Simply connect your wallet, whichever one you have, MetaMask or Phantom. I did connect the MetaMask wallet right here, so make sure to go and check whether your MetaMask or your Phantom. And here we got it. I do have 218 tokens for it. They go onto your Ethereum ecosystem. So make sure to have Ethereum there for you to do the swap, which is super, super important. And then from here, you have the possibility to go and simply trade it in and out with Jumper or anything that you want. For now, I keep it there. It's about $70 plus 7.41 token over on my Solana wallet or my Phantom wallet, still on the Ethereum chain there as well. So make sure to remember that and just have some Ethereum. We'll see whether it's not is worth. It's probably going to be between $5 to $7 in transaction fees. So check if it's worth it for you to go and claim it and to go and sell it and to convert it in either Ethereum, Chainlink, or USDC, whichever one you want. And also here, as we did talk about at the beginning about the MITOSIS airdrop, this is the full article which they did release as well. The Miro Genesis airdrop right here. We designed the airdrop to be different, and they explain basically everything that this page that we see here before it was, the either the Mito or the instant claim or the enhanced reward that you're basically getting 10 times what it is on the daily. So they probably want to try and incentivize people to not claim immediately and sell immediately. They want to incentivize people to go and hold. This one, by the way, it does have a 6-month vesting. Users who choose Enhanced will receive 2.5 their allocation and enhanced reward from the Mito bonus pool for every 1 Mito received by instant claim. The bonus pool and the T Mito strategic reserve will increase proportionally. So this is why 29 is my Mito allocation, estimated enhanced value 66 for a total value of 95.12. And this is why I decided to do this, because it is also a 6-time larger proportion and benefit from it. But if you want to go and read the whole tokenomics, then this is the article. It's long. I'm not going to bother you with it. I'm not going to come here and tell you what to do or what not to do, but make sure to go and check it. And also another reminder that I keep this for the end of the video. So for people who actually want and interest in the videos, make sure to go and do your jumper swap, because I am doing it on a monthly and I'm scaling through the leaderboard. Now I'm at rank 1795. So let me know your rank down below. But this one has been proportionally getting better for myself. Why? Because people simply stop using it. And as you see here, you basically need like 6 or 7 points to just scale through the leaderboard. And people just, for example, now as well in the summer, people potentially have used it less. So make sure to go and do daily trades on Jumper. Make sure to utilize as much as possible this opportunity to scale through, because they will have an airdrop as well, and they will count how many times you utilize it, how many times you've been everything. And here we got the achievement, for example, for July. I got these achievements. For June, I did receive more for June because I utilized it more. So make sure to go and do it. Swap between chains. It's important. The volume, if we see June to July, for example, the difference, I receive more. So make sure to go and do it. The more chains, the more volume, the more transaction, the better it is. And yeah, absolutely. But with that said, guys, thank you for everybody who made it at the end of this video. I will talk to you in the later one. Hope you had a good one and have a good day. Ciao, guys.